Hello. For those of you who work with large spreadsheets, Excel offers several methods to minimize scrolling. One method is to split the screen into two parts that will scroll independently. To do this, double-click on the little icon at the top of the scroll bar. Here I can move the divider bar, and then I can scroll the bottom of the screen down to where I can see the total. Now when I change a value at the top, I can see the result of the change in the total. To remove the divider bar, just double-click on it. Another way is to hide the rows that you don't want to see. Select the rows, right-click, and choose Hide. Now to unhide the rows, select the row above and below the hidden rows, and double-click on the row separator. Another way to minimize scrolling is to freeze panes. The trick here is to click in the cell that you want to be the upper left corner of the area that does scroll. If I click here and choose Freeze Panes, if I scroll vertically, my column headers remain stationary, and if I scroll horizontally, column A remains in place. To unfreeze the panes, I just choose Unfreeze Panes. Finally, another way to zero in on just the part of the worksheet that I want to see is to group rows. I select the rows, go to the Data menu, and click Group. Now I can collapse the group or expand the group by clicking on the plus minus or by the outline indicators at the top. To ungroup the cells, I select the rows and ungroup. Each of these methods will work on columns as well as rows. So there you have 4 different ways to eliminate a lot of scrolling when working with large spreadsheets. Goodbye.